This is the AQUA CREST replacement filter for the Brita water filtration systems. These work in the pitchers and the elite filters in here. This is the, it's like 1.7 gallons. We use this in our refrigerator. It's a really nice setup. So basically you just take this off here and then the filter is just inside here. This is just a drop-in, just like the standard Brita filter. I'm very happy with these AQUA ones. They do a really great job. I switched to them because the Brita filters, I bought them initially, the replacement Brita filters, and they did not last long. The water just did not have a really good taste to it. They seem to be going out very, very quickly. So this is the second time I bought the AQUA replacement ones, and they're just really good. I don't wait until the end time to switch these out. I switch these out about every 6 weeks. So just very pleased with it. So if you're looking for a replacement filter for your Brita pitcher or your container like this that goes in the refrigerator, the 1.7 gallon, this is, again, a direct replacement, direct drop-in. You can see it just goes in there, fits right just like the standard filter. And it's a really great filter. Highly recommend it. The water tastes great after going through here. It does have the slow filtration process, just like the Brita one does, so it does take a while to fill these up, but you can see the water filtering out, and that's exactly what it's supposed to do. So great upgrade if you have this Brita system. Highly recommend these.